Hi, I'm Roberto of OC Group. I'm here to introduce you to our module Introduction to Knowledge Management in a Corporate, the Use of Technology in Training. In these two webinars you will learn the criteria with which to set up a company know-how management project with objectively controlled maintenance and diffusion, from your needs to the most suitable technological choice. You will get to know our method, the OC method, on the analysis of the training offer. You will learn how to design trainings to achieve the desired objective and provide an effective learning experience. In short, everything that is the foundation of online education. We will discuss how to use digital tools to create an interactive and engaging learning experience. We will begin by discussing training needs, analysis, and how to determine training goals. We are excited to help you design training to achieve your goals and provide an effective learning experience. This will be 2 2-hour webinars with examples and exercises to feel confident in designing e-learning modules. So you have just to click here, get your information, and join this fantastic introductory module of our Academy.